Have you tried the organic produce here?
No, not yet. Is it worth it?
I think so. They taste better and are better for you.
Maybe I'll give it a try.
You should. It's better for your health and the environment.
I'll pick up some fruits and vegetables then.
Great idea. You won't regret it.
Do they have organic meats here too?
Yeah, they do. They're a bit pricier though.
I'll check it out anyways.
Where's the bread aisle?
Just down that way, but watch out for the prices.
Thanks for the heads up.
No problem. The store brand is cheaper and just as good.
Good to know. I'll keep that in mind.
If you're really on a budget, they have a day-old bread section too.
Really? How much cheaper is it?
Usually around 50% off. It's still good, just not as fresh.
I'll have to take a look. So crowded today.
Yeah, I know. I always try to come during the weekdays instead.
Good idea.
It's much quieter then, and you can get in and out quicker.
I'll have to start doing that.
Plus, the shelves are usually better stocked during the weekdays.
That's true. I always feel like everything's picked over on the weekends.
It definitely is. Try coming on a Tuesday or Wednesday instead.
Have you tried this pasta sauce?
No, is it good?
Yeah, it's made with all natural ingredients and tastes great.
I'll have to pick some up.
You won't regret it. It's my new favorite.
Do they have any other flavors?
Yeah, they do. The tomato basil is really good too.
I'll grab a jar of that as well.
You should also try their salad dressings. They're amazing.
Thanks for the tip. I'll definitely check them out.
Did you see the sale flyer?
No, what's on sale?
Produce and meats. Let's stock up while we can.
Sounds like a good plan.
We'll save money and have plenty of food for the week.
I'll grab some chicken and beef.
Don't forget to check the expiration dates though.
Good point. I'll make sure to get the freshest stuff.
They also have